Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful and very creative at the same time, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a very pretty collection of hand embroidery design ideas. All of these hand embroidery design ideas are multicolor based, along with a shaded pattern of very beautiful and real life nature inspired flowers. You can design these very beautiful embroidery patterns for a variety of reasons in a number of ways. For the designing of your pillows, pillow embroidery could be absolutely done by using any of these beautiful design ideas. And the beauty of these designs is that the whole design pattern could be made using 2 to 3 embroidery stitches at max. You can also design these very beautiful embroidery patterns as an all-over beautiful flower embroidery onto your bed sets, bed sheets, comforters as well. And not only onto your comforters, you can also make these embroidery patterns to enhance the beauty of your towels, hand towels, bath towels, hang towels. And wait friends, the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make these very beautiful embroidery flowers onto your cushion covers as well. For the designing of your cushions, these are absolutely beautiful and pretty. So embroidery beginners and embroidery artists who are in search of very beautiful and pretty hand embroidery patterns that are specially designed for home decor ideas, this video collection is absolutely for you guys. Kindly do try one of these patterns and share your experiences with us. You can use different type of embroidery threads for making these patterns and different type of fabric like cotton, linen, soft blended fabric, khatar, some shiny silky stuff as well. You can also make these very beautiful floral patterns onto your table sets, table covers, table mats as well. So this was all for today. I hope that you like my design collections. If you really like my today's collection, then don't forget to like my video, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay connected. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.